Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Onyxcoin or XCN, previously known as Chain. Wanted to do a full update here because, well, I mean, a lot of people requested it. Obviously, I've made a lot of videos on the XCN in the last couple of months, so just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation, which is obviously not great. I missed this short squeeze right here. In general, I mean, we did talk in the last video, we did talk about this level here at 0.85 cents, so 0.0085. That is 0.85 cents, as you might recognize. From there, that was the last time since the 11th of March. I mean, here and there we actually still get some good moves, but that was the last time we had some bullish momentum. We did talk about that support level. You knew that these short squeezes were going to happen, and I still think they can happen. But it's just a short squeeze. All right. So what you see with XCN, if you take a look at the funding rate, is that it is quite over shorted, which is quite logical. Because if you take a look at XCN right here, it's been in a massive downtrend, I think, since February right here. So a lot can be made with shorting this. It's just that every once and again, those late shorts at least will get liquidated, and that is what happens. All right. So briefly, we saw the volume go up quite a bit. I think up to like $80 million right here. But after that, I mean, first of all, we never got any technical bullish breakout or anything. And second of all, the volume after that started to drop down quite severely as well. What you usually see is you have one big spike, and then the price tries to get there again, fill the imbalance, but gets rejected early. That is what happened. And since then, we have continued the seemingly eternal fall down to the bottom. So the big question is well, what's next for XCN? And one of the key reasons why I wanted to make this video, outside of a lot of people requesting it, is the fact that it seems like we can have a pretty substantial crash. All right, because the next main support level we have after the support level we're at right now, so let's say that's at like 850, 0.85 cents. The next major one is at half a cent, so that's a decrease of 42%. Now, do I expect us to instantly drop down into that? No. I mean, probably if you go back, there's probably some liquidity at like 0.75 cents, a little bit right here at like 0.65 cents. You can see some signs of that. But like I said, the next major key level is all the way down there. And at this point of time, nor fundamentally nor technically, I see any reason to suspect why XCN is going to get out of this downtrend. I mean, a downtrend, you need to find some sort of a strong support, and it doesn't really look like on the higher time frames the support level we have right now is that support. I mean, 1 cent could have been that, but we did not find enough support there. Also not after the squeeze right here, so that's not a great sign. So therefore, I'll have to tell you that we're going to get those short squeezes again, all right? So we will have those moves up, but especially also with the uncertainty and weakness in the markets right now, I'd say it's most likely that XCN is going to continue down. Now, like I said, I do think we'll find some support along the way. That's also what we have done in the downtrend so far. But the next main support level where I would say from there I expect a short squeeze, a move up, would be that level right here at half a cent. So if you want to buy XCN, I would say look at that level and any level in between. I just don't have any liquidity data or just in general analysis data on which levels are strong, even though we will probably find some support there in the meanwhile. And the only way I think XCN can actually turn bullish again is either, well, first of all, we need markets that are bullish, all right? That's the first thing. And then I would also say XCN is very dependent on fundamentals. We would need some sort of positive fundamental development regarding ONYX. And that's also, well, that is going on right now, but it's not strong enough to push the price into an uptrend. So if that happens, I'll keep you updated on that. In general, I'll try to keep you updated on the price action, but for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.